Ang pangit ng weather ngayon. Umuulan siya. Paano kaya siya mag-golf? Traffic.
Zachary.
You're just late.
Right, little Holly girl.
Holly is a bit sick. Itong anak kong si Sak, madaldal talaga to. Ayan.
Yeah, I'll show you, baby.
Yes, you did. You're being an ahead tail. Oh, I brought up too. Hello, there's a pretty bus.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that didn't hunt a house. What are you doing?
Little good.
Taxi! Dad, taxi!
Taxi.
Hey, the taxi. Mom,
Malungkot ang-
Woolies!
Yeah, it's Woolies.
The Woolies turn off and they die you.
And what else? Coles.
Like a bridge.
No, it's a bump.
Huh?
Bump.
No, that's the dip.
That's not the dip.
Or the dips on the right horn.
Yeah, it's in Meningi.
And I go to the dip
Yeah. Yeah, because we're going home tomorrow. Lakas si Jan. Gamot ni Holly. Nasa pharmacy siya.
I'm hungry.
Are you?
I'm ready.
You're always hungry, Zach.
I thought I have too much food.
I thought you had breakfast at Auntie Tulana's house.
I'm so hungry.
Did he? Oh, and then were you hungry? What happened?
Charles is filthy. Look it up.
Thank you. Ito na
Holly
yung
girl.
for Holly. Ito.
That's
Ano
for my
to?
Holly girl.
Kasi may sinat siya. Bigyan ko siya nito.
Oh, there's always something with you. Too bad, mate.
You're always hungry.
You just had breakfast.
That's right. Ganun tayo si Sak. Palaging gutom. Yeah, we're gonna get something later, Zachary. We're gonna get something later.
We'll get something later, mate. Alright.
We're just gonna go to Royale Adelaide first for Kuya's golf lesson, and then after that we can do whatever we want. Yes, we're gonna eat. Yeah, mamaya na nga. Not lunch. It's too early, Zach. Maaga pa. Pangit talaga ng weather. Yes? Ano yun? Ano po yun?
This is not looking good.
Yeah. As in, lumalakas yung ulan. My God. Ikuha siya ng coffee niya. Apple or orange juice? How about you? What do you want? Ano gusto mo?
What do you want?
What they have yan? Maybe later na. Kuha lang siya ng
No,
coffee at saka
apple or orange or tropical.
juice ng mga bata.
Apple.
Apple juice. Okay, apple juice.
I want
Anak ko, ang lakas na ng ulan, kuya. Look at that side. Kita nyo, guys? Ayan talagang bagsak ulan, bagsak. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan. Paano kaya ito lalaro mamaya? Basa yung grass. What's that, Zachary? What are you doing with your seatbelt? You're not allowed to do that, Zachary. Put it back, please. Put it back.
Look at that Mickey Mouse.
Where?
There.
Okay. Come on, put your seatbelt back properly, please.
Sort of like you.
What's that, kuya?
Mama might do something.
Ano po yun? Hindi kita marinig. Remember I told you guys I'm gonna speak Tagalog na? Kasi we're going to the Philippines, diba? You have to learn. No? It's raining, honey.
Did that just come down then or what?
Yeah.
They just had that yucky ones.
They don't have orange or apple?
Yeah, but they were the big ones
the
and
big
they're just going to roast them.
That's true.
They won't roast those. They'll drink like
And you don't squeeze, oh yeah. Ayan, walang orange juice.
Just don't squeeze, Zachary boy.
Yeah.
Quick.
Just drink. Is it yummy? Masarap? Is it masarap? Dito na kami guys. Dito siya na to golf lesson sa Royale Adelaide.
Hang on.
Go!
No, not
Yeah,
yet, mate. I've got 2 days lessons for it.
What is that?
Oh, it's like a grass. Have a look at it. Just like a mat.
Hey, that's like a punching mat. Dad, that looks
To wet the Are we gonna park here, hon? Where is he?
I don't know where we're going to park.
Just park in here. This kid is gonna do his golf lessons today. He'll stay.
Dad, you see that big puddle on the mat?
On the what?
On the grass?
And can you face it that way?
Mommy,
Why?
mommy.
Why not really, hon? Why?
Look at the sign in it.
Just wait, stop. Just wait because I can't hold it. Both.
Hi, Bing.
I'll get Holly out so she can have a
Dad,
drink. Yeah, this is all chipping, mate. You can come in and chip, play bunker shots. Do lots.
Holly, oh, magbe-breakfast siya. Magbe-breakfast ka kay mama? Hmm? Oh, what's that? Say hi.
been here.
Yeah, we've been here, Zach. I think, Kuya, your teacher is there now, Kuya. Kuya, I think nandiyan na siya, Kuya. Go outside na. Oh, wait for Daddy. Hintayin mo si Daddy.
Me too.
I don't think so. Zach. Ask Daddy first. Tanungin si Daddy.
What is something?
Yeah, tanungin mo muna si Daddy kung ano sabi niya kung pwede kang lumabas. But I doubted sa kasi umuulan. Oh my gosh! Holly, what did you do? Hala ka kay Daddy. Hala ka, you spilled this.
Dad, Holly's.
Nina-nursing ko muna si Holly. Kasi wala pa siyang breakfast. Bigyan ko muna si Holly ng medicine. Holly, have some of this. Kasi may sinat na ikaw, di ba, Holly? Sinat ka.
Can't be throwing 5, mate.
Yung mga boys, inaano nila, tinatry nila to. Kaya ulit pa, inumin ko muna na medicine. Holly. So you feel better. Yeah. Yeah.
No, you do not do that. Bad. You did not do that. Dad, who's that? Was that mommy?
Yeah.
Sit down. Sit down. What's that?
Dad, who's that?
So you are...
Dad, I have a chili. Look at this.
Yum yum? Masarap? One more. Ah. Sarap.
Nobody's getting there.
Nandito na yung teacher ni PJ for golf lesson. One more. Last one. One more. Ay, isa pa. Holly. Ay. Ooh. Come on. Sarap. Okay. Okay, well done. Well done.
That is yes. Would
Yes,
have a
what?
chewy? Would it have a chewy, Mom?
I don't think so. Daddy said yes. Daddy said wait. No, Daddy said wait. You're done. Yeah. Well done, Holly.